doing a giveaway for this Feels Like Butta Lion brand yarn, and it is 9.7 ounces and medium, calls for a G hook. Now if you've never used this type of yarn, it's a softer yarn. I'm not going to say it feels like butter, but it is pretty soft, and it would be great for clothing. It's 100% polyester. It's called Dusty Pink, and I found this one at Michael's. I'll link down below if I can find it on Amazon, just so you can take a look. Also, to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below something crochet related. Maybe you could tell me if there's videos that you would like to see that haven't been made before, or you can tell me what you're working on. To participate, also make sure you're a subscriber, and I'll give this a couple weeks and then I'll pick a winner with the random comment picker. Also, my promotions, I have the Knit Crate yarn. If you want to sign up under me, you get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. I have 2 books on Amazon for sale, which are linked down below, and crochet mugs on sale in my Etsy store. Also, I have Facebook page and group if you haven't joined that yet, because I had to redo it. So that's all for this giveaway. It's pretty nice soft pink yarn, and thank you everybody for participating if you choose to, and subscribing, and I look forward to your comments.